anywhere that I will go in, I will see everything I need. I've not heard it. I never hear that store where say get everything where person need pertaining gadget. I've not heard.
Then you have not heard of Harmony stores.
Harmony stores?
Yes, Harmony stores.
What does Harmony store sell?
Harmony stores has everything you need.
Everything.
Everything.
Hey, I don't understand.
For your home appliance.
Like
we have laptops, we have TV sets, we have refrigerators, we have ACs, we have solar panels.
Madam, you don't do.
In Harmony stores, we have everything household items and gadgets. So all you need to do is walk into any of our stores in Lagos and Abuja, JABI Mall. And when you walk into Harmony Stores Groove Mall Festa, you get to enjoy 20% discount on selected items. And also, you know fuel is on the increase and there is high price of transportation. So you can shop from harmonystores.ng, relax in your home while we get your ordered item delivered to you. See you.